Trading account.
Trading and
Profit and loss account.
for the year it is given, huh? What month is it?
31st 12 2014.
31st 12,
2014.
24, huh? How many departments here? Two departments. Department A, Department B, huh?
Yes, sir.
Department 1.
Department 2.
Department 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have balance sheet. In orientation they said whether we follow what you followed in first year, same or vertical. Both are okay, that's it. They said both are okay. So I am using same horizontal form. Liability assets, right? You know that. I am writing that only. Is what?
Amount.
Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
See, in question, that is in trial balance, right? Do what?
Trial balance.
I said, whatever debit entry, on that debit left, credit is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Question, whatever debit entry in debit side, I should write either debit side, either or asset side. Or
Asset side.
before the right?
Yes,
Either
sir.
debit side or
Asset side.
credit entry, credit side or
Liability side.
that we are deciding later. Whatever long term, whatever more than 1 year, we are writing in balance sheet. Repeated, we are writing in trading
Trading
account.
account.
That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
Revenue expenditure, we are writing in
Trading
trading and
account.
profit loss account. Capital expenditure, we are writing in
Balance sheet.
correct? Huh? Anyone stand up and read question slowly, fast. Madi, one more, Amber, right? Read slowly, huh?
From the following balance, extracted from the books of Rama Departmental Store, prepared trading and profit and loss account in columnar, firm for the year ended 31st December 2014, and also prepare balance sheet. Trail balance, particulars, debit, credit, opening stock 1,
Loudly, huh?
opening stock,
All opening stocks are debit side, right?
Yes,
All
sir.
opening stocks are what?
Debit
I
side.
am writing debit side. Two opening stock. There is no na. 1,2,000.
14.
How much?
1,20,000.
1,20,000.
90,000.
Correct, right? Opening stocks we are writing in debit side. Closing stock we are writing in
Credit side.
that you know. Next
purchases
up,
and sales.
furnish what was? On that return outward, return inward is there.
No, sir.
Question now. Return outward, or return outward, or purchase return, or sales return. That word is not there, right?
No, sir.
I am writing. Purchase and sales both are given, right?
Yes, sir.
Purchase means paid, right?
Yes,
Paid
sir.
we are writing in debit side. Sales we are receiving, right? Whatever debit you write in purchase side, debit side. Purchase given, ah?
Yes, sir.
To purchase
1,60,000.
1,60,000.
1,40,000.
Correct, ah?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Sales. We are receiving, right? Receiving we are writing in credit side. Buy, sales, 3 lakh, 2,80,000, ah?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Carriage inward.
Carriage reward. So I said before only, transportation expenditure paid for purchase, right? Carriage inward. Carriage inward. Carriage inward. How much of?
4,000.
4,000. Next up,
Machinery.
machinery. So machinery is it revenue expenditure, capital expenditure?
Capital expenditure.
You should write in where?
Asset.
Right. So in adjustment something depreciation related to machinery, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Depreciation related to machinery.
Machinery.
You are right?
Yes, sir.
I'm writing in the car because some adjustments is there. So asset side, machinery, yeah.
Yes, sir.
36,000.
Total is your right?
Yes, sir.
36,000 machinery. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Total amount in debit side, I am writing 36,000. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next one,
Salaries.
salary. Salary is given, huh?
Yes, sir.
Total amount is given, right?
Yes, sir. Ratio.
They are telling adjustment now.
Yes, sir.
What adjustment?
Salary.
73, huh? Salary is allocated based on.
7:3.
If that is not given, we should go for number of employees, right? Who are working in department A, department 1 and department 2. So here that is not given, they are telling ratio only. So salary should be allocated based on 7:3. That is expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
Salary is revenue expenditure, but indirect expenditure, right? This is what? Direct expenditure. So we should write in profit and loss account. Lower part is profit and loss account, upper part trading account. Writing 2 salary 7:3, yeah?
Yes, sir.
7 by 10 into 10,000. How much is given, ma? 42,000,
Yes, sir.
So 4,200, sorry. Total amount.
60,000, sir.
60,000,
Yes, sir.
7 by 10 into 60,000, right?
Yes, sir.
7 by 10 into
60,000.
that is how much?
42,000.
42,000. Remaining
18,000.
18, ah.
Yes, sir.
Next up,
Rent.
you know how to calculate this? 7 by 10 into total amount. 7 by 10 into total amount is given 60,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, for department B, 3 by 10 into 60,000. So we are getting this amount, right? 42,000. If you don't know, you write in working note. Next what?
Rent.
Rent. Rent, which is allocate based on
Area.
that is given, huh?
Yes, sir.
To rent. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
How much, huh?
3 by 5, 2 by 5.
3 by 5. Total amount, how much, huh?
12,000.
12,000. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
2 by 5 into
12,000.
12,000.
7,200.
3 by 5 into 12,000. 2 by 5 into 12,000. 7,200.
200.
4,800.
4,800.
4,800. Any doubt?
No, sir.
They are giving ratio only. I took that only. If it is an area, I should cover in area only. Correct, right? And not given. So next what?
Repairs to machinery.
What's your doubt? Nothing, huh? Now we have repairs to
Machinery.
department 1 also something machinery we have, right? Department 2 also we have machinery. That is given the adjustments, right? Department 1 how much more? 20,000. Department B
16,000.
total together we wrote in where? Correct, right? So 36,000 machinery together we have. Department 1 and department 2. So in adjustment they are giving separate, right?
Yes, sir.
How much we are using for department 1 and how much we are using for department 2. So repairs to machinery, I need ratio of each department, right? Ratio of each department. I will write working note. So in working note, machinery, department 1 how much?
20,000.
Second,
16,000.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now 3030 get cancelled. It should be divided by 4 5s are 4 4s are correct, huh? 3030 get cancelled. 20 is to 16. That is divided by 4, right? 4 5s are 20. So repairs to machinery, I should allocate based on
5.
5. Correct, right? I'm writing. That is also repeated, right?
Yes, sir.
Repairs to machinery. What ratio? 5 by 9 into total amount of
30,000.
Repairs commission 30,000 total amount is right?
Yes, sir.
So 30,000, 30K. Next to 4 by 9 into 30. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Clear out?
No, sir.
So we have repairs amount, total amount we paid for repairs, that is 30,000. We paid for repairs, amount we paid 30,000. We should allocate, not possible to allocate equally, right? Because some department one having is 20,000, department B is what? 60,000. So we need what? Ratio of each department. So I took, that is 5 by 9, 4 by 9. Correct? Now, how much of?
16,667.
16,600.
67.
67 now.
Yes, sir.
This is
13,333.
333, right? R4. Because together should be 30K, right?
Yes, sir.
7 plus 3, how much? 10,
10.
right? I'll get 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If I add, I'll get, I said, if you calculate 1, rest you write as balance one. 30,000 minus, if you wrote this, remaining to this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next to
Debitors and
data side. Both, say, data is our asset, right?
Yes, sir.
We sold something to our customer without receiving cash, right?
yes, sir.
So in future we are receiving whatever we have, we receive in future. That is our assets, right? Whatever I have right now and whatever I have received in future also, that is also my asset. So data, how much now?
45,000.
For bad something is given now.
No, sir.
Adjustment now.
No, sir.
Nothing they are telling, something right?
No, sir.
How much now?
45,000.
5,000 now.
Yes, sir.
Next to
Creditors.
that is liability, right?
Yes, sir.
So creditors
60,000.
60, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next to
Capital.
capital, that is also liable, right?
Yes, sir.
Capital. How much for capital now?
1,60,000.
1 lakh.
60,000. Cash in hand.
This is partnership firm, is a firm only. Whatever profit or loss we are adding to capital only, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Profit or loss we are adding. If profit we are adding, if loss subtract. Correct? So where we are getting from this? When we are preparing this, we get something profit or loss, right?
Yes, sir.
That I should transfer to
Capital.
So I am writing in investment. What next to?
Cash in hand.
Cash in hand. Whatever I have, that is my asset, right? So cash in hand.
12,000.
Cash in hand, 12,000.
Yes, sir.
Next to
Bills receivable and bill payable.
bills receivable, debit side. Debit side amount you tell. Asset, right? Bills receivable 15.
1,000. Bills payable.
Bills payable.
Any doubt you ask, don't discuss. Debit side, we are, as said, either I should write debit side or asset side, right? Whatever debit entry we have, I should write debit side or asset side. Credit entry, this is a liability side, right? So bills payable, so bills payable 6,000. Next up,
Drawings.
drawings also see. So I invested this much. I took means what? My liability should be less, right?
Yes, sir.
First before all I invested 1,60,000. Later I took some amount. Then what? My capital increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Minus
20,000.
minus 20,000, right? Yes, sir. So 1 lakh.
40,000.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next up.
Buildings.
Building, that is also asset,
Asset.
right? I said building, it's a capital expenditure. How much building now?
60,000.
That any expenditure?
Yes, sir. Depreciate.
Building, depreciation is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
60,000.
5%.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Later we are going to read about that adjustment. Now we are passing on. Don't get tension, huh? First you complete all transactions. Later we move to adjustment cost. So building I wrote 60,000 in the column because we have adjustments, right?
Yes, sir.
Next one,
That's it, sir.
closing stock. So closing, the adjustment or what?
Adjustment, sir.
Now, trial loss is over, right?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
See, now we are in adjustment parts. Adjustment should be double entry. Should be
Double entry.
first what? So closing stock side? Opening stock debit side, closing stock?
Credit side.
Why closing stock?
1,40,000,
40,000.
1,20,000. 20,000.
Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Whatever I have at the end, that is my asset, right?
Yes,
I said whatever I have at the end, that is my asset. So total together, 1 entry, right?
Yes,
One
sir.
more entry should pass. Where one?
Asset side.
Correct now? Closing stock,
2,60,000.
1,40,000 plus
1,20,000.
total together,
2,60,000.
correct, right? So adjustments double entry is over. One is this side, one is there. Is correct, right? Next one.
Salaries will be allocated in the ratio of 7:3.
Salary is there, huh? That's over now. Salary
Yes, sir.
is next one.
The value of machinery.
Also what you do? Depreciate.
Machinery. 10%.
Depreciation is profit loss account, right?
Yes, sir.
Writing here, it's not related to manufacturing. So to depreciation on
Machinery.
machinery. How much more?
Sir, in balance sheet we should depreciate, no, sir?
What more?
The depreciation.
What's your right? Say, what would depreciation on?
Yes, sir.
Depreciation on
Machinery.
machinery. How much more we have?
36,000.
36,000 into
10 divided by 100.
10% is what?
3,600.
Total amount we got, right? 3,600. So I should subtract up. Not right? Because the value should be less after 1 year. Less depreciation. 3,600. Right? Correct, right? 32,400.
Yes, sir.
One entry is over, right? I should pass. One entry here, one entry there. Correct, huh? 3,600. Ratio should be this one, right? 5:4. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Before we calculate ratio. What ratio?
5:4.
Because depreciation for machinery, that's why I'm using the same ratio. 5:4 for also machinery repairs also and depreciation also. For both the cases, same ratio. 5/9 into 3,600. Here 4/9 into 3,600. 2,000.
Yes, sir.
Here 1,600.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
5/9 into 3,600. How much?
2,000.
Total depreciation we calculate already. That is 3,600. Total depreciation 3,600. So department 1 2,000. Balance is what?
16,600.
Correct, right? So first entry there, second entry. Adjustment should be double entry. All adjustment should be. Next what?
Buildings. Depreciate.
Building, ah?
Yes, sir.
How much was depreciation, ah?
5%.
5%, ah? 3,000, right?
Yes, sir.
So totally 57,000, ah?
Yes, sir.
Building I have 60,000. Depreciation how much, ah?
5%.
5% of 60,000.
3,000.
5% of 60,000. How much, ah?
3,000.
Correct, right? Now, one entry correct, ah? One more entry there, right? I should pass double entry I said. Here one entry, there also one entry. So depreciation on building. 2, depreciation on building. How much on? 3,600. So what area is given on?
Yes, sir.
The ratio.
Yes, sir.
What ratio?
3 by 5, 2 by 5.
Correct, right? So department 1 is occupying 3 times than compared to department B, right? So 3 by 5 into 3000.
Yes, sir.
Here
2 by 5 into 3000. 1800.
1800. 1200.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Next job.
That's it, sir.
All right. Now I am closed. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Department A, this side is Nora. This is also Nora. 3 lakh?
4 lakhs, sir.
4 lakh 40,000. 4 lakh 40,000.
Yes, sir.
4 lakh 40,000. So this is subtract all. हाँ? 1 lakh 56, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
1 lakh 56,000. That is gross profit, right?
Yes, sir.
To gross profit carried on, right? This is balancing figure. Now we got gross profit in department 1. So now I am going to check department
4 lakh.
And 1,68,000 in department.
Here. All right.
4 lakh, sir.
4 lakh.
1 lakh 68,000.
1 lakh.
68,000.
This is gross profit.
Yes, sir.
See both the department I am getting profit only, right? Yes, department A, department B. So I am carrying here by gross profit. Pratona.
Yes, sir.
1 lakh.
56,000.
1 lakh.
68,000.
See by comparing. Here only more, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. 1 lakh.
56,000.
1 lakh 56,000. From this you subtract all.
86,334.
Anyone class at 86,000? 334. Now anyone class at cost?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Here also more, right? This one more.
Yes, sir.
1 lakh 68,000.
1,29,000.
1 lakh. Anyone class check?
1,28,800.
1 lakh.
28,800.
No, sir. 1,29,000.
From this you subtract this all.
One lakh 29,067.
This much, huh?
Yes, sir.
Correct, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All are getting same balance, right?
Yes, sir.
Department 1 also same.
Yes,
So this is what? Net profit, right?
yes, sir.
I should transfer where?
Balance sheet.
Add what? Net profit, huh?
Yes, sir.
Both you add now. 86,334 plus 1,29,067, huh?
2,15,401.
2 lakh
15,401.
401, huh?
Yes, sir.
If I add both the 401, 5,
3,55,000. 3,55,401.
correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this side, both you add now.
4,21,421.
Here, huh? Not getting, right? We are not getting there.
Sir, there only, sir.
4,21,000. Sir, there 333, sir.
Now,
400. Same. 4,21,400.
same on both side.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Well, copy this one, huh?